This is the Dolce Breeza Hand Soap 8-pack in 4 scents: Cherry Blossom, Olive Thyme, French Lavender, and Meyer Lemon. I use the Meyer Lemon Hand Soap in the kitchen because it's very bright and lemony. I use the French Lavender Hand Soap in the main bathroom because it is amazing. The lavender scent is just so relaxing, and it just smells fantastic. The Cherry Blossom I use in the guest bathroom, and then the Citrus Thyme I use in my son's bathroom. And these last a very long time, even though very frequent hand washing. It does not dry out my hands, even though it's the middle of winter right now. You know, and they clean substantially well, and it's not like a gel type soap, but it's not runny either. All 4 of these smell absolutely fantastic, and it doesn't have, you know, that fake type scent. Each and every scent is pleasant